Let's see here. Let's close it up. Hello, George Escola here. I wanted to give you a quick update today on the business and how it's coming along. It's been quite a while since I posted any videos because, like in a lot of things, when you go down toward your vision, you go as far as you can see, and then you can see where to go from there. And sometimes where you see to go from there is on a different path than what you were on originally. And this is the case here. We went down a path as far as we could see, building our business and starting to have some success. And then we saw that to get where we really wanted to go, we needed to go on a different path. So we stopped to rebuild and remodel, and sometimes that takes a little longer than you think it will at first. And so now we can see the end of the process where we're going to have this new business built on a firm foundation with plenty of room to grow as large as we want to grow. As many of you know, I am on a 12-month exciting challenge to produce a business that will produce $1 million in 12 months. So that's a pretty high goal. I've never made that kind of money in a year. And so we have to build carefully and thoughtfully and make sure that our foundation is solid before we start building on that foundation. So that's where we are right now. We hope within another week or so that we'll have things moving. There is some good news. I found a way to build my email account. I now have over 26,000 people on my email account, and I'm earning roughly $100 a week at the current time. Now, we're going to build that up, of course, to 1,000 a month and then 1,000 a week, and we'll see how far we can go from there. There's some other additions that we can make here and some improvements that are likely to help us step up a lot more than that. But that's the good news right now, is that I have an email list that is producing some money for me right now, and we can certainly build on that. So stay tuned for further improvements. There are some glorious opportunities ahead of us. The sky's the limit. I don't believe that we'll be limited to $1 million a year. I think we can go far beyond that, but we have to build the foundation and get to that $1 million a year first. So stay tuned, and I will keep you up to date as we move along the path. Thanks for watching. I will see you in a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.